guys, today I'll be changing the stock charging port to this. This is a product from Amazon called Firelex. Got it for $1,000. So my stock charger is not working. I have to keep the USB thing in certain angle for it to work. So I'm going to change to this because this has two 3.0 QC ports and one PD port also, as you can see. And there's even some wires for connection also, but I don't think I need this. So let's open this up and change this part. So you have to unscrew a lot of screws here. You have to remove this console and there's already missing a screw. So yeah, you have to remove both the screws from this side and that side. So this comes out and then you can just pull this out and this part comes out. I'll show you how it is done. So the console is out. Now we have to just take this part out. So this is the socket, as you can see. So the thing is, this thing is parallel, but this thing is perpendicular to each other. So how exactly is this going to fit? There should be some light coming. Yeah, it's working. You can see the light. I just made a wrong connection, but now it is worked out. Let me try if I can tape it up so that it is not exposed like this. But the connection is there. Okay. It is fast charging. If you can see, as I connect here, you can see it, right? Fast charging. Yeah. So the C port is fast charging. Let's check out the USB ports. So for the USB ports, I have the OnePlus 6T. I think it's dead. Let's see if we can charge it from the dead state. So this is the mobile I use for navigation. So this needs to be charged all the time because I'll be running Google Maps all the time. So if you can see, the battery is at 1% and time is 11:42. Let's see how long it takes to charge. I'll just keep it here for some time. This is 71%. The OnePlus is charging, but it's quite slow because it's charging from 0%. No? But this already charged 2%. See? It was in 71, now it is 73. Both are charging. Now OnePlus is at 3%. So both are working. I think that much is enough to confirm that both are working. So this connection is pretty exposed here. So what I'm going to do is use this. So this came in the package with this charger. I'm going to put this inside so that there's a little bit of insulation. So just so you know that blue red is positive, black yellow is negative. Okay, so insulation tape is also wrapped, so now it shouldn't touch each other. Now I just have to put it back. So little tinted one is negative, the silver one is positive. Just put it in that order. Yeah, that is the fitting. Now I just have to put back all the screws. So you have the cap as well. Lock it.